Hey everybody, so these are the bales after about 4 weeks. I put some 2 cups of blood meal on each bale to start with, watered it in nice and deep, and then realized I was going to use a lot of blood meal. It was going to get quite expensive if I was going to do it every day. So then I started using some Alaska fish fertilizer, fish emulsion, and applied that daily for about 4 days. And you see here the bales, they used to be bright and clean inside, and now they're starting to get dark, almost black in spots. And that is the bale starting to compost. These, I kept track of the temperature. They never really rose in temperature like I had expected based on what I've been reading. But I believe when using organic inputs, it's not the same as using synthetic high nitrogen fertilizers. You can see here some of the bales have compost on them already. And as I move over here, you can see where I started spreading soil onto the bales. Ultimately, I'll do like a modified hugelkultur. I'll spread soil out on these bales and plant directly into that soil. So this is what it looks like with soil on it. I'll pull some rocks out of there. I went with the thicker layer of soil though, just so I can plant seeds in there that might need to go a little deeper. And then here's the bales with the soil on all of them, just watering them in. Nothing's planted yet, just getting the soil wet so it can kind of melt down into the bale a little bit, flatten out on top, so I can, I guess, till it, disturb it anyway, and put the seeds and if I'm going to do any transplants in there. And I'll talk more about my irrigation setup a little bit later, but this was really inexpensive and seems to be working just perfectly for my situation here. So we'll see what it does in 2 weeks. It should look very different. There should be a lot of things coming up out of here and should be getting it going.